Right, the lock that you can see in front of you there is a tiny little thing called a key in knob lock. You'll often see that referred to as just KiK, key in knob, and if you hear guys talking about it, they'll often just say it's a KiK, so you've got a 5-pin KiK or whatever. Now the idea is these are the locks that go inside a doorknob like that, and the key goes down the middle. Now the thing about these is that they are usually fairly cheaply made, okay, so they're small, they're light, they're cheap, and they're really good to practice on, so they're really good as training locks, practice locks. And then once you start getting good with these, they are excellent to use as challenge locks because you can pull these things apart, modify them, and then stick them in the post real easy because they're light and they're cheap to post. So key and knobs, they're a great part, they're a big part of lock sport. You need to get familiar with how to pick these things.